2-minute meditation to accompany you as you unload the dishwasher. You can begin or close your eyes and visualize it. Both are powerful. As you begin returning each item to its place, bring mindfulness into your hands. Notice the weight of each dish, the sound it makes as it settles home. You are restoring order with presence and love, small actions creating calm. Let this moment whisper, I return things to where they belong. I set myself up for ease and success. Take a slow, grounding breath. Relax your face, your neck, your shoulders, all the way down through your legs and feet. You are calm, you are done, you are ready. Feel free to stop or continue unloading. Either way, congratulate yourself. Like and follow for more moments of bliss like this.